Justice Anthony Kennedy prepares to retire from the court just weeks after taking part in rulings that caused national reaction. This was the court's first full term under President Trump. Reporter Emily Richardson attended the Anti-Defamation League Supreme Court review to learn how the decisions could affect civil rights in the years to come.
The Anti-Defamation League was joined by legal scholars to discuss decisions made during the Supreme Court's October 2017 term and President Trump's nomination to replace Kennedy.
It's a very important time in our history when we see what's happening in terms of the balance of the Supreme Court.
One way the Anti-Defamation League helps citizens stay up to date on Supreme Court decisions is by holding an annual review where legal experts discuss cases that impact things like immigration, voting rights, free speech, and privacy. Erwin Chemerinsky, Dean of Berkeley Law, believes the 2017 October term is the beginning of a new era. He believes this because the Supreme Court will have 5 judges who are openly conservative.
So I guess the bottom line is, if you're conservative, this is a time to celebrate. This is what conservatives have wanted to see with regard to the Supreme Court for a long time to come, and now it's upon us. And if you're liberal, maybe the best to hope for is that the Supreme Court will continue to take fewer and fewer cases.
This has been a long-standing movement of training a certain kind of intellectual, furthering a certain kind of career, and establishing a whole phalanx of people in a position to step up to do this. If people care deeply about these issues on a different side, they are going to have to do something about it.
The ADL said that 4 of the Supreme Court's decisions this term were contrary to their mission. And in regards to Brett Kavanaugh, they say they will be submitting questions for the Senate to ask him, just like they do with all nominees. In the Broadcast Center, Emily Richardson, Cronkite News.